Okay, I know my last posting on describing the servo horn for the Daggit ear was probably a little confusing, so I'm making this quick video to give a little demo of what I'm talking about. Now what I have here is the Wostock known piece from the Russian ship Wostock 1. That's the known eyepiece. It's very similar looking to the ear piece, and I'm using this as the demo because we haven't been able to ID the ear, and as far as I'm concerned, I'm going to use this for the ears also. Now I have this piece sitting on just an empty pudding cup, and it's to lay it flat because, well, look at this one, it doesn't sit flat, so it's hard to do my demo. I don't have a servo at this time, but I'm using this as a demo on what I was talking about with the servo horn. Here's the servo horn. This will mount right in through here on the servo, like that. And why is that there? Well, that's because the ears on the Daggit turn. So this is just a quick demo of what I'm talking about. Now just pretend that this is the mounted servo horn. The ear would mount on top of this. I haven't quite figured out the mounting on that yet. I'll get to that in a little bit. But once that's done, it will be screwed in also to here. And to cover it up, the screw hole, I put this water aerator screen on there. And that is part of how, if you look at a detailed photo of the Daggit's ear, you will see a screen in there. So this is serving two purposes. I'm going to, after the form of the ear is mounted, then I will set this in glued. And it's probably not the best way, but I can't figure out another way to keep this mounted on here. So hopefully this will take care of the questions on the last posting. And in case somebody needs to know what an aerator is, this is the thing that comes out from underneath your faucet. It is metal, not plastic. What is made today is plastic. These are still out there, but they're not easy to find. You're not going to find it at Home Depot. I've already looked. They do have them, but they're not quite the right size and style. And then these here are the horns, servo horns. I paid $4 for this packet of 3. Packet of 3 is more than enough. And you need to buy a brand that will go with the servo you're going to use. I'm going to use a Faucet, which is the same brand that was used in the originals. So just a little short video here on pictorial on video on what I was posting on the forum.